Hello, I'm Francine, an admin from ABHR, and today I want to talk about my experiences working as an admin for nearly 2 years. So before I got into this company, Miss Ria set up an interview with me, and at first I let her knew that I was a student. So my hopes weren't really up that she was gonna accept me as an admin since I was a student and my schedule is pretty hectic as a med student. But on the bright side, Miss Ria actually accepted and gave me the position as an admin. And throughout working with Miss Ria, it was actually a breeze, especially since she's very understanding of my schedule. It's actually nice working here considering I've been here for almost 2 years. Everyone was actually very approachable, very nice, very accommodating, and very easy to talk to. It's a very nice work state for ABHR. So, what I mainly do here as an admin is I look for new hirees or sometimes I look for new clients for Miss Ria and handling the page, posting and creating publication materials for our FB page. And what I really like working here for nearly 2 years is it helped me build my professionalism at a very young age. And so if I graduate, building rapport on a company wouldn't be that hard for me since Miss Ria already taught me how to handle and how to talk to people in a very professional way. And I will be very thankful for that throughout my years, even when after I graduate. So that's all. Thank you.